I'm not gonna lie, starting a business is tough, whether it's an online business or a local business. You will fail at some point. It's going to happen, so just be prepared. But you will 100% fail if you don't have the right mindset about your business and as an entrepreneur. So let's talk about my top 3 mindset tips to help your business succeed. Okay, let's start off first with a pretty sad and alarming statistic. 90% of online businesses fail within their first year. 90%. A lot of that, I think, is due to lack of planning and not being able to push through failures. I just celebrated my 10-year business anniversary in May and literally can't even remember or count all the times that I have failed. Like, seriously. But it really doesn't matter. What matters is that you learn from that failure and you move forward with new insight. So, how do you make sure you're part of that 10% that succeed? Honestly, it's all about your mindset. So I'm going to share my favorite 3 mindset shifts that have helped me grow my business over the last 10 years. My first mindset shift is one I constantly have to remind myself at least once a week, and I actually have a post-it note on my computer monitor that says it. It is progress, not perfection. We can get so caught up trying to make everything just perfect before we launch our website, run a new Facebook ad, or announce a new product. But it's honestly better to launch something that is 95% done and get feedback from your audience than spend weeks working on that last 5%. So just to clarify, I'm not saying to put crap out into the world, but ask yourself if that last 5% honestly matters. I can't tell you how many times I've worked with clients one-on-one and would get the silliest requests like make my logo 5% bigger or make the font size 14 pixels instead of 13 pixels. These small stylistic changes, they don't matter. No one is going to be on your cart page about to purchase and then decide that your logo is too small. If it was just 5% bigger, they would purchase, but instead they leave your site. Like, seriously, that's not happening. So why waste your time worrying about small things like that and instead focus on the most important parts, like really dialing in your product page? I think too much emphasis is put on the hustle as an entrepreneur, but instead of working so hard all the time, just work smarter. So if you find yourself taking a while to get something launched, ask yourself if it really matters or if you can go ahead and launch it now and finalize those last details later. That actually kind of relates to my second mindset shift you need to make, so let's go ahead and move on to that now. The second mindset shift is to be the pilot and not the flight attendant. I am always a sucker for analogies, and I absolutely love this one because it makes it so crystal clear. You need to be the pilot of your business. Your number one focus is on flying the plane to the correct destination, making sure it gets there on time, and that you get there safely. You will never see the pilot in the back of the plane serving drinks and handing out peanuts like the flight attendants because their job has bigger priorities. I see this happen all the time with entrepreneurs though. Instead of focusing on the big picture strategy and goals, they're putting out every little fire that comes up, responding to every email an hour after it comes in, and spending hours a day on social media. Yes, if you're running your business yourself without a team, these are all tasks that need to get done. However, they don't have to get done first. When I plan my day out, I map out what 3 tasks are the most important for me to get done for the day, and I start with those first. Sometimes I knock all those out and can move on to the other things on my list. But this way, if I only get these 3 items done for the day, I'm still going to feel accomplished and be moving my business forward. So make sure that you're always working on your most important task for the day and be the pilot of your business. Okay, so my final mindset shift is a powerful mantra that I also have as a post-it note on my desk, and it's a quote. I believe I can, so I will. It may sound kind of cheesy at first, but it is a powerful affirmation that I think needs repeating to yourself daily. Because like I said before, you will have failures in your business. It is inevitable, my friend. But you can't let it keep you down. You have to move forward and believe in yourself that you will accomplish your goal the next time around. This also applies to your money mindset as well, whether it's hitting your first $1,000 month as your goal or your first $100,000 year. If you go into it thinking that you aren't going to succeed, that your ads will suck, and you will lose money, or that no one will buy from you, then you're going in with a losing mindset. You need to have a winning mindset to make it past any failures that come your way. By having this belief in yourself, you're already setting yourself up for success compared to so many other entrepreneurs. Okay, so say it with me now. I believe I can, so I will. I would love to hear what mindset shift resonated the most with you and any other mindset tips that you have to share, so make sure to comment below and let us know. Also, if you've got your mindset dialed in and you are ready to grow your business, then check out my top e-commerce growth strategies for all e-commerce businesses in this playlist over here. Thanks as always for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.